We'd found a good spot and park for night, but I'd clicked the wrong pin by mistake, so after 2.5 hours driving, we figured we'd try and find our own spot, which had us in dried riverbeds, squeezing through argan trees with our wobbly camper in tow. And this isn't even some of the worst places we've drove to find a park spot in Morocco. Sometimes we maybe push the truck a little too far for a spot for a couple of nights, but we like to be somewhere remote and out of the way, especially since we plan on doing repairs to the truck here, as you'll see later on. The most important part of a long drive is making sure the dog has time to let off a bit of steam before either sorting food or sorting bed. This is Atlas thinking he's helping. Basically, we'd noticed some problems with the steering, so we decided to buy replacement ball joints because that's what we thought was wrong. So here's James just taking the wheel off and having a look.
Thanks, Atlas.
What's wrong?
Oh my days.
Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Yes, that ball joint's gone. Luckily, oh my god.
What? What is that?
The whole top wishbone. You actually had to do work to get it off, but realistically, you've not had to do much. Put the new ball joint on. That one left the shop.
Is that already on?
Yeah, put the new one on.
Oh,
But
nice.
then realised the top ball joint's absolutely goosed. So.
But you put a new grease nipple on that because the grease nipple snapped, didn't it?
Yes, which inevitably let all the grease out, which I didn't know because the cap was on. So I didn't realise that it was leaking all the grease out, which then has led to the ball joint housing, whatever it's called, being knocked. So hopefully we're going to last till grease. Till spin.
So no one's playing with me.
Were you growling there? Were you growling? Oh, I've got greasy hands, I can't stroke it. Go see Mama.
Come here.
Mm.
Hello, baby boy.
I know you're mad. That side motion's gone.
But yeah, pack that with grease.
To 1,000,000 PSI and hope it doesn't fail going down the motorway.
Sounds good. Good ghost. I don't know how it's meant to go, but it's not meant to go like that apparently.
Nice and solid.
That's how it's meant to go. It's just the million gajillion PSI going in.
I hope so. And I just hope that the bottom seal's not broke, which probably is, but I mean, there's no grease coming out of there, so I hope that the ball joint's got enough pressure, that the grease has got enough pressure to hold the ball joint sealed in the bottom. But I know as soon as there's weight on the wheel and it's actually in motion, it's not going to hold, but one can only hope.
One can only hope. Mechanic James, with your little sun hat. How you doing, Bag Rails?
Hey.
How are you doing?
Good.
How's you calm the cob?
Yum.
Then the next morning, this happened. What's the damage?
Luckily, I only scraped the bottom of the tow bar, which is kind of like what it's there for, really. And then I put a little dent in the bumper, but hopefully it dints a little bit more and then I can replace it with a full metal bumper one day.
Yeah, you wish. A quick alignment.
Yeah, when I put the ball joint on, my wheels are pointing inwards just ever so slightly. I need not you to bite my arm.
What do you need?
That's
I think he's making sure our wheels don't come off. Are you making sure our wheels don't come off? What were you doing?
making sure that we're still
So I hope you enjoyed watching our very first video. If you did, please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us. Thank you. Bye.